Namaste, good morning to you all and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed exercise 4.1 and solved all the problems of exercise 4.1. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss cube roots. Let's move on to the topic. You have already learned square root and squaring a number. Square root is the inverse operation of squaring a number. Likewise, cube root is the inverse operation of cubing a number. Cube roots. Cube root is the inverse operation of cubing a number and it is denoted by cube root. Radical symbol. For example, 2 cube is equal to 8. It's read as 2 cube is equal to 8. Then cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. It's read as cube root of 8 is equal to 2. 2 cube is equal to 8. Then cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Then cube root of, here 8 is 2 cube. So cube root of 2 cube is equal to 2. So important point, cube root of 2 cube is equal to 2. Next, we shall discuss how to find out the cube root of a number. There are two methods to calculate the cube root of a number. The first one is prime factorization method. The first problem, exercise 4.2. First problem from exercise 4.2. Find the cube root of the following numbers using prime factorization. The first option, 21,952. We write 21,952 as the product of its prime factors first. So, we start the prime factorization of 21,952. Yeah, it's an even number, 2, so start with 2. 10 2s are 20, then balance 1 19. 9 2s are 80, then balance 1 15. 7 2s are 40, again balance 1 12. 6 2s are 12. Then 2. 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8, then balance 1 17. 8 2s are 16, again balance 1 16. 8 2s are 16. Then again 2. 2 2s are 4, then balance on 14, 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. Then 2, 1 2s are 2, then 3 2s are 6, then balance 1 14, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Then 2, 6 2s are 12, balance 1 17, 8 2s are 16, then balance 1 12, 6 2s are 12. Then again 2, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8 and 3 2s are 6. Then 7, 3 is not decimal, 7, 4 2s are 28, then balance 6, 63, 9 7s are 63. Then again 7, 7 7s are 49, again 7, 1. So, 21,952 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Each factor appears 3 times. It's a group of 3. So 2 into 2 into we already studied 2 cube. 2 multiplied by 3 times itself. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube into 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cube. 2 cube into 7 cube can be written as 2 into 7 the whole cube. A cube into B cube is equal to A into B, AB the whole cube is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 7, 28. So 28 the whole cube. 21,952 is equal to 28 the whole cube. We have to find out the cube root of 21,952 using French addition method. So, cube root of 21,952 is equal to cube root of 28 the whole cube is equal to cube root of 28 the whole cube. We already studied cube root of 2 cube is 2. So, cube root of 28 the whole cube is 28. So, the cube root of 21,952 is equal to 28. Next option, option B, find the cube root of 85,184 using prime factorization method. First, writing 85,184 as a product of its prime factors. 85,184. No, it's an even number, start with 2. 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, balance 1 11, 5 2s are 10, balance 1 18, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, then 1 2s are 2, here 5, 2 2s are 4, then 19, 9 2s are 18, balance 1, 6 2s are 12. Again 2, 10 2s are 20, then balance 1, 12, 6 2s are 12, then 9, 4 2s are 8, then balance 1, 8 2s are 16. Again 2, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, then 13, 6 2s are 12, then 12, 6 2s are 12, then 2 2s are 4. 2, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 and 1 2s are 12. Then 11, 1 11s are 11, then balance 2, 23, 2 11s are 22, then again balance 1, 11, 1 11s are 11, again 11, 1 11s are 11, then balance 1 11, 1 11s are 11, then 11, 1. So, 85,184 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Here, each factor appears in a group of 3. Is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube into 2 into 2 into 2 cube into 11 into 11 into 11, 11 cube. So, it can be written as 2 into 11 the whole cube is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 11, 44, 44 cube. So, on the left side, 85,184 is equal to 44 cube. So, cube root of 85,184 is equal to cube root of 44 cube. Cube root of 44 cube is 44. So, the cube root of 85,184 is equal to 44. The numbers 1 to 10 and the cubes are written here. 1, number 1. The 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729. And 10 cube is 1000. Write the last digit from the cube. Here it's a single digit, so that number ends with 1. 8, the number ends with 8. Here 27 has 2 digits, the last digit 27 ends with 7. So you have to write the last digit 7. Here 64 is a 2 digit number, the last digit ends with 4. Here 125, the last digit is 5. 216, the last digit is 6. 343, that number ends with 3. 512, that number ends with 2. 729, that number ends with 9. 1000 ends with 0. So, here the number ends with here 1. The last digit is 1. 4. That ends with 4. 5. Ends with 5. Then 6. Ends with 6. Then 9. Ends with 9. And 10. Ends with 0. So, if the number ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0, the cubes also ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0. Once again, if the number ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0, its cubes also ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0. In case of 2 and 8, 3 and 7, we have to flip. Here, the cube of 2, cube is 8, so ends with 8. The cube of 8 ends with 2. In the same way, cube of 3 ends with 7. And the cube of 7 ends with 3. So, in case of 2 and 8, 3 and 7, we have to flip. The next is estimation method. Question number 2, use the method of estimation to find the cube root of the following numbers. The first one 59,390. The unit place is 9. 59,390. This number ends with 9. So its cube root also ends with 9. Cube root also ends with 9. So you need the last 3 digits. Next number is 59. 59 lies between 27 and 64. So 64 is more than 59. So the nearest cube is 27. 64 is more than 59. So the nearest cube is 27. The nearest cube is 27. Next we have to find out the cube root of 27. Cube root of 27. Cube root of 27. 27 is 3. Cube root of 27 is 3. So 39. Cube root of 59,390 is equal to 39. Once again, this number ends with 9. So its cube root is also 9. Next is number 59. 59 lies between 27 and 64. 64 is more than 59. So you take the nearest cube is 27. So cube root of 27 is 3. So 39 is the answer. Next question, next option. 7,04,969. So this number ends with 9. 7,04,969. This number ends with 9. So its cube root also ends with 9. So its cube root ends with 9. So you leave the first 3 digits. The next number is 704. 704 lies between 512 and 729. 704 lies between 512 and 729. So 704 is more than 512. So the nearest cube is 512. The nearest cube is 512. Next, you have to find out the cube root of 512. Cube root of 512 is 8. 8. So the answer is 89. The answer is 89. Question number 3. What smallest number can be multiplied to 1080 to make the product a perfect cube? Option A, 1080. 1080 to, we have to find out we have to find out the brain factorization of 1080. Start with 2, 5 2s are 10 and 4 2s are 8, then 0, again 2, 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, then 0, again 2, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, then balance 1, 10, 5 2s are 10, again that number is 5, so start with 5, 2 5s are 10, balance 3, 35, 5 7s are 35, again 3, 9 3s are 27, then 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. So 1080 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 2 appears group of 3 and 3 appears group of 3. Here 1 5 is there, so we need 2 more 5s to get this number be a perfect cube. To get 1080 be a perfect cube, so we need 2 more 5s. So the smallest number can be multiplied to 2080 to make the product perfect cube is 5 into 5, 25. So the smallest number we need is 5 into 5 is equal to 25. The next question, question number 6. What is the cube root of 343 into 27? So, we have to find out the cube root of 343 into 27 is equal to cube root of 343 into cube root of 27. No, the cube root of 343, cube of 1 is, cube root of 1 is 1, then cube root of 8 is 2, cube root of 27 is 3, cube root of 64 is 4, cube root of 125 is 5, the cube root of 216 is 6, and the cube root of 343 is 7. So 7 into cube root of 27, 3. So 7 into 3. 7 into 3, 21. The answer is 21. Seventh question. The volume of a cube is 2744 centimeter cube. Find the length of a side of the cube by prime factorization. Volume of a cube is given. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to 2744 centimeter cube. No, the side of a cube is L centimeter. So the volume of a cube is L cube. So L cube is equal to 2744. So we have to find L. L is equal to cube root of 2744. The side of a cube is L, so the volume of a cube is L cube. L cube is equal to 2744. Then L is equal to cube root of 2744. Then you have to find out the brake acceleration of 2744. Start with 2. 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. And balance on 14. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Again 2. 6 2s are 12. Then balance on 17. 8 2s are 16. Then balance on 12. 6 2s are 12. Then again 2. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. And 3 2s are 6. 7. 4 2s are 28. Then balance is 63. 9 7s are 63. Then 7. 7 7s are 49. Then 7. 1. So is equal to here 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to cube root of here 2 appears 3 times. So 2 cube into 7 appears 3 times. 7 cube is equal to cube root of 2 into 7 the whole cube is equal to cube root of 14 cube. Cube root of 14 cube is 14. So here we have to find out the length of the side of a cube. So the length of the side of a cube is equal to 14 centimeter. With that question, we have completed exercise 4.2 and also completed chapter 4, that is cubes and cube roots. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.